class 2A. We welcome you all for Deepavali celebration. Deepavali is an Indian religious festival. It is victory of good over evil. People celebrate Deepavali across the world for many reasons and occasions. Let's start the celebration with a school prayer song. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunatu Sahaviryam Karavabhai Tejasvinavati Tamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Ya Kundedu Dusharahara Davana Ya Shubhravastravita Ya Veena Varvandam Mandikakara Ya Shveda Padmasana Ya Brahmachuda Shankara Praudipi Devai Sada Pujita Samam Padu Saraswati Bhagavati Nisheshajaryapaha. Let us now watch Deepavali poster done by Kritik.
Hi, I am Kritik from grade 2A. Today I am here to share few facts about Diwali. Diwali is one of the largest Hindu festivals celebrated across India. Every year with great joy and happiness. It is a festival of lights which is the symbol of Lakshmi coming to home and victory of truth over the evil. It is celebrated when King Rama destroyed the evil forces and returned to Ayodhya after 14 years. Diwali is celebrated by preparing lots of sweets, getting new dresses, lighting of diyas, candles and bursting of crackers. I know we all love bursting crackers, but it is not safe to us and as well as our surroundings. Try to avoid firecrackers and have a safe green COVID Diwali this year. So, if possible, try to gift a plant to your dear ones. Let's celebrate eco-friendly Diwali. Happy Diwali to all. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Today I am here to speak about some of the values of Deepavali. Discipline. Deepavali usually starts with the Brahma Muhurta, that's usually around 4 a.m. This early wake up is considered to be the first step to a disciplined life and the symbolic of mental and spiritual awakening. Goodness. Deepavali symbolizes the victory of good over evil. Humans are made of three basic qualities: goodness, passion and destruction. Since there are none of these qualities can be totally eliminated from a person, there needs to be a perfect balance among them. Divinity. Divinity is the source of happiness. Divinity is the source of happiness. The goal is to manifest the happiness within you. Divinity within you. As Sri Ramakrishna says, a lamp cannot burn without oil. Similarly, a person cannot live without God. Humility. Lord Rama is the perfect example of how is to be humble and gentle. That's why he was known as Maryada Purushottam. He was a perfect son for his parents and ideal protector of Dharma. Togetherness. Diwali is the time for the family get together. It signifies the importance of brotherhood and the joy. It also give an opportunity for the children to seek the blessing from elders and to learn how to respect them. Kindness. The very purpose of celebrating festival is to make people around us happy. For true happiness comes from little acts of kindness. Diwali is the time when we indulge and in such generous acts. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Happy and safe Diwali. Wow, it was a beautiful one. Dancing can reveal all the mysteries that music conceals. Now we have Nandana and Vinpa to perform a dance for us.
Maya,
Dipa. Each celebration has a story behind it. Can we now listen to Siddharth, who is going to talk about a Deepavali story?
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to talk about Diwali. It is also called Deepavali, which means series of lamps. Deep means lamp and Avali means series. Diwali comes on a no moon day, that is Amavasya. Diwali is a celebration of victory, good over evil. In northern India, Diwali is a celebration of return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya with his wife goddess Sita and brother Lakshmana after 14 years of Vanavas and defeating the Ravana. In southern India, Diwali is a celebration for Lord Krishna defeating demon Narakasura. On Diwali, we clean our house and decorate it with beautiful lights, flowers, lamps, and rangoli. We worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha on Diwali. It is believed to bring wealth and prosperity. And my favorite part of Diwali is that we wear new dress and different types of sweets and snacks, yummy, are prepared. We also light firecrackers as a part of celebration. Thank you and wish you all a happy and safe Diwali.
Thank you, Siddharth. During Deepavali, we all like to burst crackers. It is necessary to keep safety in mind. Now we have planned out to talk about safety measures.
Good morning to all. Wish you a very happy Diwali. Today I am going to talk about safety measures in Diwali. Diwali is the festival of light. We buy crackers at our home. Store firecrackers in a closed box and in safe place. Never crack while very near to you. Maintain distance. Make sure a responsible adult accompany the children. Light crackers in an open space. Do not crack near electric wires or gas. Throw the burnt crackers in a safe place. Keep water bucket, sand and first aid box near you. While cracking, wear mask while leaving crackers. Have a safe and happy Diwali. Thank you.
Thank you, Pranav. During festival, we all pray to the Almighty. Let us hear from Sahitya.
I am Sahitya. I am studying in Miriam Global Coimbatore, Class 1. On the occasion of Diwali, I am going to chant a sloka on Goddess Lakshmi. Sumanasa Vandita Sundari Madhavi Chandra Sahodari He Mamaye Munigana Vandita Moksha Pradayan Manjula Bhashini Vedanute पंकजवासिनि देवसपूजित सद्गुणवर्षिणि शान्तियुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि आदिलक्ष्मि सदपालय माम् आदिलक्ष्मि सदपालय माम् आदिलक्ष्मि सदपालय माम् Thank you.
Thank you, Sahitya.
On the auspicious day, we make sweets and exchange with near and dear ones. We shall now learn new recipes.
I am Anusha from 2nd Standard C, DBM Global School. Happy and prosperous Diwali to everyone. Today I am going to make cashew nut laddu. 200 grams of cashew nut, 200 grams of sugar and 1 cup of ghee. 200 grams of nuts, do like this, powdered. Sugar syrup, half quantity of powdered cashew nut and make like this paste. Now we want to do the laddu. First of this paste and of 2 spoons of ghee. And mix like the paste. Now we mix it and the powdered cashew nut for 4 spoons. Now and do the mixing. In this paste we want to round the balls. Now garnish with chopped nuts. See now how it is. The delicious cashew nut laddus are ready. Enjoy the sweets. Happy Diwali. Bye.
Rangoli is such a life and color giver to a house, especially during festival time. Are you all ready for visual treat?
Hello everyone, I am Smiran Khulisa. I am studying in 1st standard at Divyang Global School. I wish you a very happy Diwali. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Tanishka. I am studying 1st standard in BVM Global School. Today we are going to celebrate Diwali and burst crackers safely and eat sweets and enjoy and have fun.
Now I call Mahasi Ram to deliver word of thanks. So friends, may the supreme light of light enlighten you. I thank all the students for sharing their interest in the program and making it a successful one. Wishing you all a safe Diwali. Thank you. Thank you all. Have a safe Diwali.